So finally we launched from Sentosa Cove. After a challenging start, we have reached Lazarus, the island behind Lazarus, and we are going to cross through that channel to a lagoon. Very interesting. So it's low tide now, so as you can see, water is draining out from the lagoon into the open sea. So low tide now, the water is draining out from the lagoon into the open sea, so we don't have enough clearance to kayak through, which is fun. You have to that's the flexibility of kayaking. It's fun. Come, right. Wait up. Okay, let's go. Carry, you gotta carry. So I'm walking now, dragging my kayak through this shallow, slippery rock. It's like 50 to 80 meters, but it's so fun. So this is the sanctuary that we are coming for. It's totally different when you're out in the sea. And that's where we came from. A lady is trying to cross the channel. Okay, because it's low tide now. Okay, special only for today's competition. We managed to land in this coral reef. Of course, there was queue before for Sentosa Cove. That is Sentosa Cove. Not easy to come here because it's always very choppy, very strong current. Today is just perfect. It's just our blessing for today. So we are back from Lazarus and welcome to Miami, Sentosa Cove. So our Sentosa Cove, we call it the Miami, and we kayak. Okay, last stretch to load up the kayaks, not the boat. Short route, but can be challenging. Sometimes depends on the tide, so you have to time your launch timing very carefully. But other than that, it's beautiful route. It really feels like overseas.